welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year to you guys. I'm so happy for the new subscribers, the ones that supported me last year, the ones that always like and share my video. Thank you so much. If you are just joining, my name is Joy, and in this new year my first video will be how to make turkey sauce, and I won't waste much of your time. Let's get started. Okay guys, here are the ingredients you need to make turkey sauce. Oil, turkey, fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, bell pepper, onion, meat stock, bay leaf, rosemary, curry, salt, Maggi cube. I start by adding my meat stock into the pot. For those that don't have meat stock, you can boil your meat in the usual way by putting your water and the ingredients you have, which is the spices, to boil it. You will also get the same result. You add the onions, you add the bay leaf, then you cover for a few minutes to boil. After a few minutes, you come back to stir it and see if it is ready. If it is ready, you take it off. Then you separate your meat stock from the turkey. Then you bring out your butter and rub it to the oven pan. You have to rub it to the oven pan for it not to be sticky. Then you start arranging your turkey to the pan. After arranging it inside the pan, you add the onions on top for it to give it that good aroma. Then you put it into the oven. Then you leave it there for a few minutes and you come and slice your vegetables. I slice these vegetables like this because this is the shape I wanted. You can slice yours into the various shapes you want. Put your fry pan in the fire and add your groundnut oil. Then you leave it a little to hot, then you add your onion. After adding the onions, you leave it for there a little to fry. Then you add the tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, you add the chopped vegetables, which is the bell pepper. Then you add the salt. You add the Maggi cube. You add the curry. You add the bay leaf. The bay leaf is optional. Then you add the rosemary. You stir it and leave it for it to fry. Then you add a little meat stock or a little water. For those that don't have meat stock, you can also use water. Then you can add a little tin tomatoes for thickener. Here I had tin tomatoes. You go back to the oven and see if the turkey is ready. Turn it and you cover it. Then you come back to the vegetables you have in the fire, which is already frying. You stir it a little and leave it for a few minutes. Then you go back to the turkey. Bring out your turkey. Now your turkey is ready. You start adding it to the vegetables on the pot one after the other. Add it gently one after the other. After adding, you stir it. After stirring, you leave it for a few minutes. And voila, your turkey sauce is ready, guys. Wow, it's yummy. I love this. This is how to make your turkey sauce. If you have any question, you can leave it down in the section box below. If you don't understand anything, feel free to ask me because I'm always there to answer all of your questions. And also, if you have any recipe you want me to prepare for you,
Please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will do that for you. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Love you all.